This is another place of Khatar, that was Pal Khatar. This was the foreigner areas. There here lots of stores is there. There was foreigner tourists will come and stay and travel here. This is a beautiful, see the Palace Amra. This is also Pal Khatar. This was another Khatar location that was a beautiful. You can watch here tourists of foreigners. See, this is foreigners here. That was amazing music. See the foreigners' favorite place is this. See the view. This was awesome. This was awesome. See this. This is tourist best location that tourist was mostly liked. See this view. See this view. This was awesome. See the water fountain. And this was a Pal Khatar. This was a most favorite place for the foreigners who was travel from the London, America, UK, from everywhere, Turkey, many countries like foreign countries like London, UK, Europe. Everyone come here for the destination for the most favorable destination for foreigners. You can watch here. See the location was awesome. See, this is a beautiful view. See, this is beautiful location. You can see here all foreigners are stay here. They have favorite restaurants, coffee shops, and they will stay here. And look at the peoples here. Look at the stores and restaurants, best hotels and coffee area, and most of cafeterias. See, this is the most beautiful place for the foreigners. Especially foreigners will come here. This is what. See the music also here. That was amazing. You can see the music. Sorry, you can listen the music. Sorry, I forgot to tell you. See the music. That was the. See, sorry, you can hear the music that was slowly playing here. See, we are travel here because this is the most favorite place of everyone. The beautiful is this. Here everyone come for their. It's if it's came here, you can stay or enjoy here over 3 o'clock late night also. The view late night also same. See, the traffic is also here sometimes because this is the favorite place of everyone. This is a secure country for everyone, for women especially. See the music are playing here. See, this is also. This is see the music are playing here. Also see the beautiful view, and especially I like this place most of all. And Qatar is the most safety country for women, so for everyone who can stay here, who can travel here. This is the very most safest country. I just prefer for everyone. This is the most beautiful country, and I mostly like this. Especially see this. There are lots of there are lots of music, orchestras, lots of programs here going on, lots of traditional programs, traditional music here going on. See, you can see the people here stay outside, enjoy every moment of the Qatar. I've seen this is also. See, obviously everyone like this place. I just like it more. So everyone will like this. See the cafeterias. People are staying outside and enjoying the night. See, this is nightlife. Sometimes say you can enjoy here with family, friends, everyone. You can come here and enjoy. That was so beautiful. You can watch. You can come here and see the most beautiful Pal Khatar. You can come here and travel here. In Qatar, you can see most favorite place is Pal Khatar. That was amazing. Thank you friends for watching me. Please like, subscribe my channel, and please share, comment my channel. If you like it, I just give more and more details of the Qatar and most of my lifestyles and my life everything. I just share you with my YouTube family. Please like and share, comment on my channel. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Allah Hafiz.